Hey, alien, can you come take a look at my computer? It's acting a little weird.
Sure, it's Ariel though.
Whatever, Ariel, alien. Can you fix the computer right now?
Hey, before you leave, can you check on Anderson's computer? You're not that busy, right?
Sure. I'll fix Anderson's computer.
Hey, Ariel? Chapman? Hey, look, this machine is toast. I tried restarting it and that didn't fix anything. I don't know what it could be. I bet it's the firewall. We're probably gonna have to upgrade the operating system, you know, something
No,
like.
we don't have to change the operating system.
But
No.
what if?
No.
Okay, but
No.
how?
Wasn't that fun? For more cool videos,
Subscribe to the Pulseway channel.